So if I've got an equation and I need to know what's been oxidized, I need to understand what oxidation actually is. If we've got oxidation is loss of electron, oil, and reduction is gain of electrons. So therefore, what we need to look for is where electrons have been lost. Now with this one, it's pretty easy because we can see charges happening. And if we got a charge over here of magnesium, which is 0, and then it's becoming positive 2, what that means is it must have lost electrons because electrons are negative. So therefore, because our magnesium is increasing in charge, it has lost electrons. So therefore, magnesium here is being oxidized. Okay, so magnesium is being oxidized and the zinc 2 positive is being reduced. That makes magnesium here the reductant. The reductant is what causes the reduction to happen. So magnesium is being oxidized and it is known as the reductant. Our next example doesn't have charges, so it's not as easy to find out where electrons have been lost. But because we know about oxidation numbers and the fact that oxidation numbers are kind of like a charge, we can look at where this reduction or oxidation is happening. Now in this case here, I'm going to go with my simplest one here. My hydrogen is an element that's going to be 0. Over here my hydrogen is going to be a positive 1, so therefore I know that therefore this hydrogen is increasing in oxidation number. What that means is it's increasing in theoretical charge. So what that means is that our hydrogen is being oxidized. Because our oxidation number increases, that's what's being oxidized. What that tells me is that this guy over here is being reduced. So therefore, what's going to be happening is that must be going down, must be going down in charge. You're right. Okay, if I look at this a bit closely, I can actually see that because I know this is iron 3 chloride. So iron must be iron 3 positive because chlorine's 1 negative. I need 3 of these 1 negatives, so that makes us an iron 3 ion. Over here, it's Cl2, so therefore this ion must be 2 positive. Okay, so what that means is that it's going down in charge, so therefore it's being reduced, and that kind of makes sense, doesn't it? All right, so what we got to look at though is first and foremost, where can I see oxidation numbers? And if those oxidation numbers increase, it's called oxidation.